Now let me explain. Show that the bisectors of a parallelogram. So parallelogram has been given and ABCD is a parallelogram. Now the bisectors of the angles of the parallelogram. A is the angle and B is another angle. This is the bisector, this is it. And now D is an angle and C is also an angle. Now this internal structure is a rectangle. We have to prove that this is a rectangle. I name it P, Q, R and S. By bisectors we mean this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. Therefore this is 1, 2. Now let me explain. For a parallelogram DC and AB with transversal AD, DC and AB with transversal AD, we have these two are co-interior angles which are supplementary, that is the sum of angles is 180 degrees. Therefore angle A plus angle D equals 180 degrees. Co-interior angles are supplementary for AB parallel DC with transversal AD. Now dividing both sides by 2, I have half A plus half D equals 90 degrees. This is 180 divided by 2. Here since it is bisector, I have written this is half A is nothing but angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Now I want to zoom in the triangle ASD. Triangle ASD. This is angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is ASD. For triangle ADS, I have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle ASD equals 180 degrees. This is angle sum property and I know 1 plus 2 is 90. Therefore substituting this part by 90, I have 90 degrees plus ASD is equal to 180 degrees and angle ASD comes to 180 degrees. By the extension of this part here, I wish to say that these two angles are vertically opposite. I have entered into this parallelogram PQRS. Now I have, if ASD angle is equal to angle PSR, which is 90 degrees due to vertically opposite angles. Now this is 90. I have forgotten. This is 90 degrees are equal. Therefore, if one angle is proved to be 90, then PQRS is a parallelogram. Therefore, since angle PSR equals 90 degrees and it is part of PQRS, by the similar pattern I can prove this part and this part and this part. Therefore these are co-interior angles and I can prove that these two are parallel, and vertically opposite angles once proved, this both sides comes to opposite angles 90 fixed, and these form the rest, which is one angle proved 90 is a rectangle. Therefore PQRS is a rectangle, hence proved. Now the presentation should be neat and clean and appropriately substantiated with all these things. Therefore you have to write it this way. I only focus upon the explanation part, but the presentation should be complete as shown in the textbook.